uh, put the vibration plate um, a back of at the back of the machine, vibration plate at the back of the machine, and the feeding channel. The feeding channel getting near to this feeding channel of the machine. Okay, feeding channel of the machine. This one should not be connected. Should leave some space because the vibration plate is always shaking. So if you connect both of them, the machine will shaking as well. So we leave some space. We leave some space here. Okay, but for the but it will be able to let the cap to move from here to there. Okay, just leave some space, not let the vibration plate affect the feeding channel of the machine. Okay, and this one is tester when the cap full load, the cap available here, it will stop for the cap feeding. Okay, once there's no more cap, the vibration plate will start again. And also connect the wire of the vibration plate to the machine, to the here. Okay, connect to here, this line from vibration plate. Okay, connect to here.